What's going on, y'all? So in today's video, I'm gonna be going over how to do a successful drop. It's some tips and tricks you probably didn't even know. So first of all, here's my brand, Joan Gas. My name is JoJo. You guys can go follow me on my main, okay JoJo. Y'all can go, you know what I'm saying, go mess with my shit. All right, so we got this drop right here. This shit did amazing. We sold out in less than a week. This drop, it did pretty good. You know what I'm saying? This was something I can learn from. This drop was the first drop that made me, you know what I'm saying, sell out. Did pretty good. Made a great amount of money off that. Got a nice couple amount of sales. And, you know, it helped me learn a bunch of stuff as well. So right here, as you can see, I was modeling all my stuff. I had more posts, but I just, you know, achieved them. And so I got somebody to model for me. They're real good. This is when it started going real good because I don't have places like this around me. So, you know, it's good to send out something to somebody. You know, the shoes, the pants, you know, the background, the nice pictures and stuff like that. So you did real good for my job. Here, I just took this living in front of my old house. Also, here's my reels as well. We got Andy right here. This was actually the first person that was actually pretty famous to, you know, interact with me. I met him in a park and I gave him one of my beanies. And, you know, he just was promoting my shit. I mean, I didn't get no sales off of it, but, you know. Yeah, right here. So this is it right here, him wearing it in his videos and stuff like that. So yeah, it's all pretty cool, you know? Also, your first step is you're gonna wanna make a brand name. Your brand name is kind of complicated because you need to have it so that it matches exactly what you make, and it 100% has to have a meaning behind it so that your customers can connect and you guys all just have something similar and in common. So for instance, my brand is Joan Gas. It has a meaning behind it. When I used to smoke, when I was like, you know what I'm saying, like in a bad position, had nothing going for me in life, I used to say, yo, this Joan Gas, which means that shit was like some fire ass zop, bro, you feel me? So that's why it's called Joan Gas. So now for my clothes right here, like whenever I see someone wear my brand, or whenever like my family's wear my brand, be like, yo, bro, that Joan Gas. You feel what I'm saying? So it all just gotta have a meaning behind it so that your customers can connect. So now your second thing to do is a logo. All you gotta do is just like, if you don't got money for Photoshop, just go on photopia.com. You know what I'm saying? You can learn how to go up on there, or you can go on Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator. So if you guys need help with your logo, if you know what I'm saying, you don't wanna go through the struggles to go make the logo, you know what I'm saying, just hit me up on Instagram, okjojo with 2 Y's. I showed you guys in the beginning of the video. You guys can just go hit me up on there. We can do it for the low, feel me? We can do it on our Discord call together, on FaceTime, it don't matter. We can do it through whatever. So yeah, we can go get that up, and that's that simple. The third thing is that you're gonna need to do is you're gonna wanna make a mockup. So you're gonna need to get your design, and you're gonna wanna put it onto a mockup, a high quality mockup. So you guys gotta do is just go up on there, boom, slap your design onto that mockup, that's simple. If you guys need some designs made, just hit me up on Instagram. I could do it for you for the low. That's it. We can do it on the Discord call. You could just tell me exactly what you want, whatever works best out for y'all. Okay, so for step number 4, you're gonna wanna go and make a website on Shopify.com. They do 3 months for $1. Pretty cool, you know what I'm saying? Easiest shit ever. Those first 3 months, you need to really step up your game and go real try hard for this. Like, those are like your last 3 months living. You need to go, you know what I'm saying, go have your family set for life. So that's exactly what you should go do. So if you guys need help with website designing, just hit me up on Instagram as well. I could do that for you for the low as well. I have a bunch of themes that we could put in, you know what I'm saying, some high themes instead of just like the regular themes that they give you for free. So yeah, we could do that. We can get that steady. So they also have YouTube videos on how to make your website on Shopify. And yeah, it's not really that hard. So all you guys gotta do is just go put that into there, and that's that. So for step number 5, you're gonna wanna go and DM your manufacturer, be like, yo, I want a sample, which means just one. And for samples, they're just high prices. And let's just say their hoodie is $35, right? You're probably gonna get it for about $60 to $70. But it really all depends on how big it is and this and that. Some manufacturers charge like $150, $300 for samples. Yeah, I never work with those type of people. Hell no. Can't ask me that bullshit. I don't never work with those people. So if you guys want my manufacturer, just DM me on Instagram as well. Sell it to you for the low. But if you guys want to go through the struggles and just want to find a manufacturer, go through my followers and just scroll, and you'll find manufacturers to DM them and, you know, see which one works best out for you. What I'll suggest is that you guys do like 50-50 payments first for the sample, or you say, hello, I'm gonna make a brand, I'm looking really to scale it, this and that. They probably don't want to hear that, but it's all good to do that. You know, just continue to talk to them and be like, hey, I want the sample made, I want to buy a bulk order off of you, you know what I'm saying? And you're gonna make it sound like you know exactly what you're talking about. So what you're gonna want to ask them is, you're gonna ask them what their MOQ is. Just be like, can I send the payment after the sample is complete and you send me pictures? If they say yeah, I 110% like agree with that. Go ahead, go do it. If you don't like it from the pictures or whatever, don't send the payment. But if you do like it, and they followed all your details or whatever, boom, get it made, pay for it after that, they ship it out to you, boom, now you get a sample. So now for the 6th step, marketing, it's pretty, you gotta learn, you gotta really watch YouTube videos on it. There's a bunch of different marketing strategies that you guys can find on TikTok, YouTube, all this and that. So you guys are gonna wanna really take your time with marketing and come out with a plan. So for me, I got a notebook right here on, you know, a bunch of marketing stuff and a bunch of marketing strategies. And yeah, you know, I just put all my time into it. I talked to a bunch of different brand owners and they all just give me a piece of advice. I give them a piece of advice. So what I say is connections. That's what's really gonna help you with your brand and get you far. It's gonna really help you get you far. So when I first started, I just got like a bunch of connections with people. I was getting like, my first drop, I got 1 sale. My second drop, I got 12 sales or 18. I don't really remember. My third drop, I don't even remember how many I got made. It was so long ago. It was like August or something like that. But yeah, I got that. And I just sold out the first like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. And I was like, damn, it's crazy. And all I did was just run IG boost ads. My marketing strategy was really good. I used Ken Carson sounds, and the back of the shirt was like, has something to do with like Ken Carson. But at first I didn't even know it was like Ken Carson, this and that. But the sounds and everything just, you know what I'm saying, once you like, I accidentally did it. I didn't really know much about marketing, but once I started talking to more brand owners during that time, they always told me, yo, that's good marketing, I was like, bro, tell me a little bit about marketing. They told me about it, boom, I was like, okay, bet. So I tried marketing on my second job, which is the Star hoodie, and it didn't go as good because the sounds and the videos I would make didn't really go together, you feel me? So then after that, my next job after that, it went crazy, bro. I was like, I woke up, I was getting sales. I was like, what? Sold out like the first week. I was like, yo, that's crazy. So now, you know what I'm saying? I did another drop after that about a month or 2 later, and it just didn't go as well at all. It did not go good at all. So, well, it did go pretty okay, but it just didn't go as good as the other one. So I was just like, damn. I don't know what to do, bro. I spent mad bread on this job and it just went bad. So what I did is that I was like figuring out what I did wrong. And what I did wrong is the way I would post the pictures, the way I would have model myself, the camera quality was really bad. The way I would market was really, really bad. It was nothing compared to others. I was just being lazy with it. You know what I'm saying? So that's where I really messed up on. So I suggest you guys really do take your time on marketing. I say that you gotta do marketing for 2 to 3 weeks. I have a marketing strategy that I use, you know, written down on my book. And what I suggest you guys do is just go do that, follow that. If that doesn't work on your first drop, continue to figure out why it didn't work. What was wrong with your marketing? Oh, what if there was the product? Maybe the product was bad. Maybe it was not trending, Maybe it wasn't just good enough. Maybe you were just being lazy with it. Who knows? Yeah, honestly, who knows? You're the only person I don't know, because you're the person doing the fucked up mistakes. But you know, we all make mistakes and we all learn from them. So what I suggest you do is I suggest you go and put in that work and get everything done. For the 7th step, after you drop your P's, after marketing, doing all this for a certain amount of time, you don't want to go buy a bulk order with the money that you got from all those purchases that your customer bought off of you. You're gonna want to send them half of the payment or a quarter of the payment to the manufacturer. Be like, ask them how long your turnaround times, you know, how fast you're gonna do this. I need this done quickly. I'm gonna have more coming in, you know what I'm saying? Just keep it just simple as that. The bulk order to you as fast as possible. The day you get them, you need to ship them out. For you to ship them out, I say you use Pirate Ship. It's a Shopify extension. Your prices and everything. Cheaper than going to the post office, this and that. And also, I suggest you also get a label printer and a scale. and you just go get the scale, put the package on there, and put it in onto pirate ship. Print out the label, put it on there, boom, go take it to the post office. So another additional step to that is you're gonna wanna respond to your customers saying, hey, we just got the bulk orders in. Every single week, tell them, oh, just place the order for the bulk. Hoodies just shipped to us. Hoodies just got here. Shipping orders out today. Boom, that's all it goes. Exactly how it goes. You need to continue to do that because then you're gonna start getting chargebacks. And on my Discord, if you ever do get chargebacks on my Discord, as a whole entire script on what to do whenever you get a chargeback. All you gotta do is just send that script to Shopify, and boom, that's it. It's like a 99% chance that you're gonna win it back. So the last step is just ship the orders. Self-explanatory. All you gotta do is just package them up, exactly what I just explained before. And boom, just ship them all out, to post them on your story, take all the pictures of all your orders, post them up on your story. Come on, congratulations, you just learned on how to start up a brand. So all of this was free, and if you guys learned a lot from it, if you guys wanna learn more and more and more, if you guys wanna subscribe to my Discord, it's $50 a month. It's gonna be the link in bio. Also make sure to like and subscribe, and yay, tune in for the next video.